Good morning, students. So, yesterday we already learned about food chain. So, here I want to give you a quick revision of food chain. What is food chain? The sequence of living organisms in a community in which one organism consumes another organism to transfer food energy is called a food chain. In simple words, a list of organisms showing who eats whom is called a food chain. So, yesterday we discussed about the different types of food chain also. Just take some more example of, okay. In this slide I want to give you some more example. Just see, the first one is of terrestrial ecosystem. So let's start with terrestrial ecosystem. So the first one is plant. Plant is here play the role of a primary producer. Then herbivore. Herbivore is the primary consumer. Carnivore, secondary consumer. Fourth carnivore is become the tertiary consumer, and last topmost carnivore is the quaternary consumer. So in this way you are seeing that our terrestrial food chain is of 4 trophic level. Okay, so just take a look on one more. Okay, now move to the next. So here, as you are seeing, the marine food chain. This is the marine food chain. In this marine food chain, what it start with phytoplankton. So phytoplankton is the producer, zooplankton is the primary consumer, and in the carnivore, what primary and secondary consumer, then tertiary, then quaternary. So here it goes in a way of phytoplanktons, zooplanktons, small fishes, large fishes, and bigger one. Okay, so in this way it will also goes. Now come to the next one. As you are seeing here, in the grassland biomes, pond biomes, and the ocean biomes. Okay, here primary producer, primary consumer, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. So here grass, grasshopper, rat, snake, hawk, algae, mosquito larva, dragonfly larva, fish, raccoon. Then in ocean, phytoplankton, zooplankton, fish, seal, and white shark. So these are some examples you can better understand by I think after seeing all this. One more is here that how the decomposers involve in it also. Look, producer, primary, secondary, tertiary. All these members of food chain are decomposed by these microorganisms. Now one more is there with us. Here in this food chain, what one more is here na? Look, food chain of plant, then moth, frog, snakes, hawk. Okay, so in this way so many different types of food chains are given. You just go through with us all. Now come to the next topic, which is very interesting, that is food web. What is food web? The interconnected food chains operating in an ecosystem which establish a network of relationship between various species is called food web. In simple word, the network of a large number of food chains existing in an ecosystem is called food web. So here as you are seeing, the food web is a group of several interconnected food chain. In a food web, an organism gets food from more than one group of organisms. So this is the specialty of what we can say, that this is the specialty of food web, that here organism get food from more than one group of organism. Okay, I just want to share some more about food web to you. Just try to understand this this food web. In this food web, you can easily understood the interconnectivity. Okay, so as you know that always food chain start with the producer. So here is the producer, plant is the first one, always first member of trophic level. So any food chain, whether it could be terrestrial, grassland, aquatic, whatever the type of food chain, but it would be always start with plant, that is producer. So in the same way as you are seeing, look here, the plant, then insect, small insect, large insect, birds. Okay, and in the same way, this is what we are saying, dragonfly, these are the caterpillars. So in this way, so many different types of interdependent link we can see, interdependent network we can see. So in food web, we can see a network of numerous pathways along which the food or the energy flows within grassland community. And this food web starts from the plant, which is a producer, and ends in top carnivore. Okay, so in this way, I think you all got the concept of food web also. Food web is not a new thing for you all.